Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. What if everything you were taught about money was wrong? Money isn't everything, but everything needs money. Most people are financially illiterate, following outdated advice that keeps them stuck in a cycle of struggle. The system is designed to keep you average, but you can break free by learning new rules. If you're ready to break free from the losing game, challenge everything you thought you knew about wealth. Then pay close attention, because today, we're diving into Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad, a classic that challenges conventional wisdom on wealth and success. In this video, we'll break down the 5 biggest money lessons from the book. Let's begin. Robert Kiyosaki's journey into the world of money and finance began with the influence of 2 very different father figures. On one hand, his biological father was highly educated and believed in traditional financial advice. He affectionately called him Poor Dad. In stark contrast stood his best friend's father, the man Kiyosaki called his Rich Dad, was an entrepreneur, a business owner, and an investor. Both men shaped his thinking. These 2 mentors offered Robert completely different perspectives on life, money, and success. These contrasting lessons became the foundation for Kiyosaki's groundbreaking book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Kiyosaki's book compares their views and reveals why the rich dad's mindset leads to financial freedom, while the poor dad's mindset leads to a lifetime of working for money. He challenged the widespread belief that your house is your greatest asset and questioned the idea that working for money is the only way to achieve financial security. Instead, he argued that financial freedom comes from understanding the difference between assets and liabilities and from building sources of passive income. School teaches us math, science, and history, but not how money works. Traditional schooling teaches you to be a good employee, not a smart investor or owner. Without financial literacy, you're lost in a maze. Financial education is your map. Learn the language of money, accounting, investing, markets, and law. Take control. Read books, watch educational videos, and challenge all advice. The more you learn, the more opportunities you'll see. Kiyosaki argues that financial literacy, understanding how to read a balance sheet, manage debt, and invest, is the real key to financial success. Poor Dad believed a good education led to a good job. Rich Dad believed a good education about money led to wealth. The takeaway? You don't need to be rich to start learning, but if you want to become rich, you must start learning. Alright, so this is really the core of Kiyosaki's philosophy. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities, on the other hand, well, they take money out, even if they seem like good investments. For example, let's break it down. A rental property is an asset. A big house you live in, that's a liability. Stocks that pay dividends, yeah, that's an asset. But a car loan, that's a liability. Most people think they're building wealth, but honestly, they're really just accumulating liabilities. Rich people buy assets. Poor people buy liabilities and call them assets. Poor Dad said, get a secure job. But Rich Dad said, create something that works for you. This is honestly one of the most powerful mindset shifts in the book. Kiyosaki explains that the rich don't trade time for money. They build businesses, buy real estate, or invest in stocks that generate passive income. He doesn't say jobs are bad, but if your only income comes from working, your time and income are both limited. The goal isn't to work harder, it's to work smarter, and eventually let your money work for you. This one surprises a lot of people. Kiyosaki explains that the wealthy understand tax systems and use debt as a tool, not a trap. Poor Dad feared debt. Rich Dad used it to acquire assets like investment properties that paid him back. The rich also build businesses and benefit from corporate tax structures, while employees get taxed before they even see their paycheck. Kiyosaki isn't suggesting you break rules. He's saying, learn how the system works and use it wisely. Ultimately, Rich Dad, Poor Dad isn't just a financial book, it's a mindset book. Poor Dad would say, I can't afford it. Rich Dad would ask, how can I afford it? That shift from limitation to possibility changes everything. Kiyosaki believes we must train our minds to see opportunities, ask better questions, and develop the confidence to take financial risks. Wealth isn't just about money, it's about how you think. So what can you do today? Start tracking your expenses and ask, am I buying assets or liabilities? Begin learning about investing. Start small but stay consistent. Build your financial education, watch videos, read more books, join communities that talk money, shift your mindset. Stop asking what you can't do, start asking how you can do it. Remember, you don't have to be rich to start, but you'll never get rich if you don't. Want to go deeper into Rich Dad, Poor Dad? Grab the book using our affiliate link in the description below and support this channel while you learn. Check out the full Investor Starter Kit to learn about more powerful finance books like The Intelligent Investor and The Psychology of Money. I will leave a link in the description to access that. And if you'd like more tools, summaries, and bonus insights, subscribe to our channel. Don't just work for money. Let your money work for you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy investing.